discover the authentic charm of Gjirokastra at Guri Guesthouse, located in the heart of the city. This beautifully preserved historic building combines traditional Albanian stone architecture with modern comfort, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere for every visitor. Our guests can relax in the peaceful and spacious terrace, which offers panoramic views of the surrounding landscapes and the timeless stone rooftops of the old town. The guest house features 7 rooms, each equipped with air conditioning, private bathrooms, and complimentary Wi-Fi, ensuring a restful and convenient stay. Some rooms are soundproof due to the unique characteristic of thick walls up to 1.7 meters wide. Each room is different from the other. Guri Guesthouse is within walking distance of Gjirokastra's main attractions, such as the UNESCO-listed Gjirokastra Castle, the vibrant bazaar, and the city's historic landmarks, making it the perfect base for exploring the rich heritage and architecture of the region. For your convenience, Guri Guesthouse features a designated private parking spot right on the property. Whether arriving with a small car or an SUV, guests enjoy secure and easy parking, just steps away from the entrance. Please ask us for our valet parking as well. Step onto our spacious terrace and enter a haven of tranquility at Guri Guesthouse. Surrounded by panoramic vistas of Gjirokastra's timeless stone rooftops and breathtaking mountain scenery, our terrace invites guests to unwind in peace, perfect for reading a book, savoring a glass of wine, or simply soaking up the serene atmosphere. For those seeking culinary delight, our beloved mom is always ready to craft a fresh, delicious dinner. Each dish is prepared with locally sourced ingredients and based on family recipes inherited and perfected across generations, bringing the rich flavors of Albanian tradition to life. Guests often say these meals are so satisfying that their appetite disappears for days, especially when paired with our selection of local wines or craft beers. The combination of authentic home cooking, a stunning terrace setting, and warm Albanian hospitality ensures that dinner at Guri Guesthouse is not just a meal, it's the perfect, unforgettable dining experience. Guests on Booking.com and Google Maps consistently highlight the warm hospitality, breathtaking views, and unforgettable home-cooked meals at Guri Guesthouse. Visitors rave about the peaceful terrace, describing it as the perfect spot to enjoy breakfast amidst flowers and fruit trees, overlooking the castle and mountain vistas, often mentioning that the terrace setting alone creates a fantastic vibe and enhances every meal. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon.